Hi guys, welcome to my video. In here I will share you about my cat. But but first I will introduce myself. Then let me introduce myself. My name is Riyadl Awwibi Bagus Mukhammad. But as usual, my friends call me Awwibi. I live in Magelang and I study at Tidar University. I also majored in communication science in 2022. Maybe that's enough for the introduction. Let's go to the description videos.
So, this is my cat. Yeah, look at it. Look at it, look at it. She's pretty, isn't it? Her name is Salmon. How to pronounce it? Salmon, whatever it is. And also she have the second name that's usually used when my friend calls her. The name is Aini. I don't know why, but Aini is the first name I gave at really first. Then I changed it to Salmon, yeah. Look at that. She looks dumb when she drinks. And also, salmon drink water, of course. Then look how she eats. Pretty cool, right? It also, of course, she can talk. This is how she can talk. Then how clingy she are. Salmon have a unique color. She has 3 different colors in different places. On the head, it has 3 colors, namely white, brown, and black. On the body, it is the same, but predominantly white. And on the tail, it does not have white. Look at that. Salmon is very active cat. Usually when I come home from campus, he immediately comes and runs to me and asks to play together, of course. I think that's enough from me. Hopefully entertaining, and see you at the next meeting. Goodbye.